G'day, Kevin from Snowy's Outdoors here again. This time we're looking at the Engel range of fridges. This is the MT35FP Fridge freezer, smallest one of the Engel fridge freezers in the compressor models. Ideal for taking away for a weekend for small families in the sedans and in the back of the SUVs. So the fridge body is made out of powder coated steel. It has an overall length of 74 centimeters. That's including the handles. Take the handles off, it goes down to 64 centimeters. We've got an overall height from top to bottom of 40 centimeters and we have a width of 36 centimeters. So we'll open up and have a look inside. So inside the fridge here we've got a dimension of 47 centimeters that way. We have 27 centimeters that way with a depth of 27 centimeters as well. The walls are 4 centimeters thick and it contains a high density polyurethane insulation. So the fridge is 32 litre capacity. Unfortunately it's a little bit too shallow for a tall bottle of wine, won't quite fit, but it will be able to lay them down and carry them that way. But you can put in 44 cans of drink, which is quite a reasonable amount, almost 2 slabs. And inside here we've got a removable basket, looks like most of the other fridges. We've got a small light just there to illuminate the inside of the fridge. And when we close the lid down, you've got a positive action metal catch here that'll keep the lid nice and secure. And when you purchase a fridge, you have the option of fitting a removable hinge. This comes with the fridges. All you need to do is unscrew the lid and the body from that hinge, fix these on, and the lid can then be slid off to allow for easier cleaning. Okay, so here we have the control panel. Now, this control panel has a digital readout on it. It has a little mode button there, so you can choose between Fahrenheit or Celsius. To change the temperature in the cabinet, you can actually turn that knob. The temperature will change there, and when you've reached the temperature you want it to be, you simply hit the select button. So this fridge will go down to minus 18 degrees Celsius. It also has 3-stage battery protection, which means you can set the fridge at 3 different levels to protect the battery on your car. So that way the fridge will turn itself off before it flattens the battery on your car, and you'll be able to start the car in the morning. So I'll just turn this fridge around a little bit to give you a bit of a look at the back of the fridge. At the heart of this fridge is the Sawafuji swing motor. Very powerful, very efficient motor. It draws about 0.5 amp when it's running, with a maximum of 2.5 amps in its startup mode. Down here, of course, you've got your 2 power inlets. Now, one is 240 volt, which is one of these leads here, goes straight into there. The other is a 12 volt or 24 volt lead, which goes into the other side over there. And this plug, you've got a 12 volt fuse inside here, which will blow in case you've got any sort of shorts, protects the circuitry and the fridge. You've also got a fuse just here once again, so it's like a double protection. Any problems with the fridge, that fuse will blow and it just saves any damage to the electrics of the fridge. So this fridge comes in at 21 kilos. It also has a 3-year Australia-wide warranty. We are selling this fridge with a free insulating cover, which helps the efficiency of the fridge and make it even more economical to run. Now that's about all I've got to tell you about the Engel fridge. If you want any more information on this fridge or any other product we sell, go to our website www.snowys.com.au, where we offer fast, free delivery to most parts of Australia. So until the next time, we'll see you later.